Okay, guys. We're in London today. We only got about like 8 or 9 hours, so we're gonna try to speed run everything we can in London. So we're on our way to Buckingham Palace right now. It's a nice sunny day, a little windy, but way better weather than we had yesterday. So.
Yeah, it's definitely spring here.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good. Pretty much just seeing everything we can in one day before we fly out tomorrow. So we'll take you along for the ride and see everything we can.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yay.
Dang.
Kind of looks like a pukeko.
He looks like a New Zealand bird, doesn't he?
Yeah. I don't know what you are, bud.
But you have a little ramp. You don't look like a water bird, so I don't really know what you're doing. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see him.
Yeah, the one in the corner?
The one right here.
Oh, I didn't see him either.
So your job to build the nest, buddy?
We think this is for Princess Diana.
I'm pretty sure it is.
We don't know for sure.
It's called Diana, Princess of Wales Memorial Fountain.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. Ooh.
It's pretty gusty today.
It's very blustery. It's definitely springtime. Everything's blooming.
Oh gosh,
it's beautiful.
Got another piece in my eye.
But yeah, it's because it's so windy, it's gunning for our eyes.
It's still a nice day. It's 65, so it's warm at least, but very gusty.
Really can't complain.
Yeah. Another thing in my eye. Oh my goodness.
That's okay. Something hit me in the head.
Just wanted to update you guys. We're doing great.
We're doing great. Look how little that pony is. Oh.
Nice flowers. Here's World War I memorial. What's going on, Taylor?
I don't know. Good horses.
That was neat.
That was cool. They're beautiful. I like how uniform they all look.
They were large. They were
They
huge.
were massive. Buckingham Palace. And then that fountain is the Queen Victoria Memorial.
Queen Victoria Memorial, huh?
And then this is the Canada Gate.
It's pretty sweet.
The Canada Gate.
There's a lot of people, huh, Taylor?
Yeah, a ton of people.
Ooh. Where are you?
I'm over here.
Where's our castle? There. Good enough. Cool. Goslings.
They're so little and fluffy.
Looks good.
Yeah, it does. Oh gosh.
The birds are gonna be so happy.
This is good. This is hitting the spot.
Mm-hmm. Nice day.
Mm-hmm.
My allergies are just beating me up.
We've never dealt with it before.
Literally never. I don't know if I've ever had allergies to pollen, ever. Buckingham Palace wasn't bad.
Yeah. Just crowded, which expected. It was beautiful.
Reminds me of DC, just touristy stuff that you gotta see. And it is cool, but I'd rather go to like outdoor things.
Yeah.
Cliffs of Moher type things.
Me too.
But it was good. We're gonna keep working our way. What's next?
Big Ben. Well, Westminster Abbey. Westminster Abbey, Big Ben, and then London Eye are all.
Oh, Tower Bridge too, huh?
That's like a R.
Oh yeah, we do have to do that probably, but.
Yep. I think that's it. That's where we're trying to go. Or is that where we're trying to go?
It is impressive. Very cool architecture. It costs £31 to go inside.
I'm sure it's cool. I don't think it's $50 cool.
Pass.
There's Big Ben.
That's pretty cool. I like that. I won't lie, that one's cool.
That was really cool. That's beautiful.
So you got Big Ben, right? Imagine being the guy who built this clock. Poor guy.
Poor
I
guy.
bet he's real proud of it until they built Big Ben like 5 years later. All right, Big Ben's cool. I like Big Ben. The Westminster Abbey, if it wasn't $40, we would go in. We're eavesdropping on a guy. Tower is not Big Ben. The Big Ben is the bell inside. This is the Elizabeth Clock Tower.
Yes. Yep.
That's
what we just learned.
I think he said 13 tons. That seems low, but I could have misheard him. It was the biggest bell ever made at the time. Made by the same one that made the Liberty Bell.
Oh.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah?
Yeah, cool.
Ready?
Time to head on.
That's a muddy river.
Sure is. It's the Thames. That was going to be my guess.
That's a good one. It's a big river.
There's the London Eye. I'm kind of glad we didn't rent bikes. There's just too many people.
Taylor's gotta pee. She's on a mission. Shout out Too Good To Go. Again.
Yeah, we got our Too Good To Go order. We have 4 Nutella muffins, a croissant, beetroot falafel, roasted quinoa, and hummus.
Salad.
More yogurt. Oh, this is berry granola and yogurt. Coconut yogurt and peanut butter. 2 brown, it looks like a banana bread, a brownie, and a little pastry. 4 pounds.
$6. Someone hates the bikes, dude. Sushi was pretty good.
It was yummy.
We just had a little bit because we didn't want to go crazy on it. And then we got a good Too Good To Go.
Too Good To Go order.
Too Good To Go order, and she just loaded us up with everything.
So many things.
So we ate a lot of it. It was pretty good. And then we still have some left, like some croissants and muffins and things. She gave us like 5 Nutella muffins. So we're going to be doing pretty good. We're working our way towards the Tower Bridge, which is like, it's not the London Bridge, but it's the one you think of when you think of London Bridge.
Yeah, that's like our end goal for the day because it's really far from our hotel, probably like 4 miles. So we're gonna probably end there and then loop around and work our way back. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock now. We still have to like go back and check into the hotel, but other than that, we're doing pretty good, I'd say.
A lot more walking to do, so. I couldn't believe, we looked up how big London was, and I was expecting like Chicago size. It's almost as big as New York City. It's bigger than any other city in the US besides New York City, which
huge.
Was surprising. And now I understand why there's so many people. So it's been good. Fun learning experience. People compare it with like New York City, Tokyo, and London. Like that's how big London is. And
a lot bigger than you think.
I didn't realize that. So this is probably a good lesson to do a little research before we visit places, but that's okay.
Yeah.
That explains why there's so many people though, because it's
big.
I think they said the London is 15 million people, and New York City's metro area is like 19 million. It's huge. And what we're used to, Denver is like 2 million, so
right.
Not many people.
Very different.
And Washington, D.C. I think was 7 million.
7, that's what she said. But we gotta keep on
rolling.
trucking. It's a cool skyline.
It is a cool skyline. It has some interesting buildings.
So yeah, that's the Millennium Bridge.
Millennium Bridge, the walking one?
Millennium Bridge, and then the one where you see the green one back there, that's Southwark.
South Pork?
Wark, with a W.
Here's London Bridge, but that's not the bridge we care about, right, Taylor?
London Bridge is falling down.
We gotta go to that bridge.
Tower Bridge.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
I can't believe that's not called the London Bridge.
That name was already taken.
I'm pretty sure that ugly bridge was built after this pretty bridge.
There goes the Uber boat.
Uber boat.
Oh wow, that castle's sweet.
I know. So it's hard to see, but there's even more behind these trees.
Cut them down. Cut them down.
No, Taylor. It would help our view though. Cool skyline.
Yeah, it is. They're
Probably be a pretty good way to
cruising.
see the
city.
see the river.
Everything is kind of like alongside the river as well, so.
Yeah. Very cool bridge so far.
That's really cool.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
It's pretty sweet. All right.
That'd probably be worth
Yeah,
it.
it's 18 bucks. I don't think we'll do it today, but might do it next time we come here.
You can see the castle better.
Yeah, there's the London Tower.
Which was probably really impressive back then. And then you have the whole skyline right next to it
Yeah.
now. So it looks rather puny.
I'm very impressed with the bridge.
Me too.
Pretty cool castle.
Thank you.
We can screenshot something in there. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, I found this really cool boat bar. We have about 3.5 miles left to walk, so we're gonna stop, we're gonna grab a beer, and then we'll continue our walk back. Cheers.
Can't really tell, but we're on a boat.
We're on a boat. Oh, my feet. My poor, soft office feet.
How many steps?
How many steps do you have?
33.5.
35.1.
So after our cool boat tour, which featured a couple beers, we just hoofed it back to the hotel. We'll fly back tomorrow. We got a 8:35 train to the airport. So got to get all packed up, hit the sack, and be ready for our flight tomorrow. London was better than I expected. Like, I knew I would, just going into the trip, I knew I'd like Germany. I didn't really know what to expect from Ireland. And then I didn't really think I'd like the UK. And I loved Germany, and I loved Ireland, and then the UK was fine. London was better than I thought it would be, though. It was a lot cleaner, and for how many people there are, I think it's impressive that it's as clean as it was. It's like almost the size of New York City, and if you've ever been to New York City, it's disgusting. It's awesome, but it's disgusting.
I think the big thing with that is we're not city people, and we never will be city people, so a lot of the things we do have nothing to do with cities, but there are also things that I feel like we have to come to cities to see.
I'm glad we did it, and it was a better day than I thought it would be. Like, we saw so much, and it was all relatively pretty cool.
Well, we walked so much. And it was all within walking distance if
You're willing to walk.
you're willing
10
to
miles.
walk.
I
So-
think my favorite one was the bridge. Tower Bridge was awesome.
Tower Bridge was very cool. That was probably my favorite too.
I think that's one of the reasons why I liked London more than I thought too, because I thought it'd just be like concrete everywhere.
It was so much green space, which
Yeah.
was really nice. They have over 500 acres of green space.
I thought it was 5,000 acres over 500 years.
We'll fact check that one. Either way, it's a lot.
Yeah, a lot of parks. They do it pretty good. It was, and they no trash anywhere, which I really enjoyed. Like, I put a lot of weight to that. It's like how you can, if you can keep your city clean. I like the city a lot more.
Paid bathrooms, which I did not enjoy.
Hard to find a free bathroom. Very hard, but I
Yeah.
think that's Europe.
I think that's Europe too. That's probably my least favorite thing about Europe.
That's half the reason we stopped and got the beer is because we wanted
to pee.
use the bathroom. Good trip. Good day. Busy
trip.
day. I'm kind of excited to hop on a flight and not do anything for 10 hours.
And then go see the cat. We gotta pick up the cat.
How could I forget?
How could you forget?
All right, we'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.
Hey, let's go check out this cool boat.
You gotta be more natural. You're like, hey, let's go check out this boat.
Okay. Hey, let's go check out this boat.
Just record me.
I can't do it.
Jesus Christ.
I can't do it.
Okay, let's go look at this boat. I want to go look at this cool boat. It's just a bar. Let's go.
Oh, I wasn't recording.
What the
I'm recording now.